Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Moto G9 Play and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and now we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you wanna add here more applications, just by the same way, hold the application and drag it to the folder. If you wanna give a name or rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, just hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, hold the app and drag it to the home screen. If you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll stay with this application in the apps menu. And also you could remove all of the applications with the folder together. Just hold and drag it to the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.